Alright, so now that we've got our solar laid out and the manifolds connected, it's now time to install the balance pipe. The balance pipe is connected to the return pipe, which is this one over here. It's really important in ensuring balanced flow across the entire system. To install this one, we're going to need two 90-degree elbows and a short piece of PVC. I've pre-cut this one. So let's get started. I'm going to clean and prime the PVC pipework first. Apply some PVC glue. I'm using type N here. When you're gluing, just make sure you spin it a couple of times and hold it in place. So I'm now going to install the end cap, which is installed at the bottom of the return pipe.